Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back with a brand new video. Today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find your Instagram profile URL link in mobile. So first of all, go ahead and click on your Instagram and open it. Then click on your profile within the bottom right corner and this should open for you. Now, what you will need to do is to simply rememorize the name that is written in the top left corner, not the one that is above the post, followers, and following. So in my case, it is example X videos. Let's do now and leave Instagram and let's open the browser and let's write this in the browser. So what we should do is write down instagram.com and then write slash. Now after the slash you will need to write down the name that we've seen in here. So example X videos. So let's check it out. Example X videos, as you can see right here. Now this should be directly taking you to the page. As you can see, cancel, and as you can see full profile in the app, and this is exactly my profile. So now if I wanted to get my profile, I'm simply gonna here and click on copy, and this is the URL link that I have. So it's very simple and very easy. In case that didn't take you to your profile, then make sure that you have written the username correctly, and that's it. Thank you guys a lot and see you in the next video.